Hello, welcome back to Age and Flourish. Today we are doing a different kind of fufu, and that is carrot fufu. I'm going to use carrots plus flaxseed and use my pounded yam flour. You can use any flour. You can use oatmeal. You can use any flour that you want to use. You can use amala. You can use plantain. And so the most important thing is that we are looking at carrot and flaxseed. And now I'm going to let you know some of the goodies that are in carrot. Carrots are more than just crunchy snacks. They are packed with nutrients that support many aspects of health. In carrots, we have a lot of benefits. Like one, it supports your eye because of the vitamin C in it. It boosts the heart because of the potassium, it contains potassium and also high in fiber. And because it is high in fiber, it also regulates your blood sugar, and it has a lot of antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and can also, those oxidative stress harm our blood vessels. Carrots also strengthen our immune system because it contains vitamin C. It also supports our bone health because it provides vitamin K and calcium. It's also good for our digestion because of its high fiber content. Also, it protects our brain. Carrot has a lot of antioxidants, so that is why I'm using carrot now. When you use carrot, you are now using less of the pounded yam flour or the amala flour or the oatmeal flour, because all these flours, they are also high in carbohydrate. So when we look at flaxseed, the flaxseed is also a powerhouse seed that has been valued for thousands of years as both food and medicine. One, flaxseed supports the heart because it has omega-3 fatty acid in it. It helps to control the blood sugar. Flaxseed, because it has a lot of fiber that will reduce the spike of your sugar in the blood. It is also high in protein and is good for our muscle. Flaxseed has some cancer fighting properties in it. It aids our digestion, and it is good for our gut health. So flaxseed also is good for the bones and also our hormonal balance. When you see all these goodies in our vegetables, you combine it, and you are not only eating carb from the food that you are making, you are eating balanced meal. And remember also, there is also a lot of goodies in the soup you are going to use for the swallow. So try this the carrot fufu. The last time I did cabbage fufu, try this carrot fufu. Look at it. It looks like eba. It looks like garri, and you will enjoy it.